Did they get replaced?
Yeah, look. They just took out the fucking... It's just like, ah, no more Delta buns for you.
Yep, look at that. That's still there. Bruh.
Right, that's stupid.
San Francisco floor. Seattle floor. Going up.
Street?
2 actually.
2.
Just on the wrong floor.
Damn, this is stupid.
Yeah, they literally just cut out the buttons. Yeah, look, there's more up there. I wonder if those ones have Delta. Oh, it's flashing red and green.
Well, back to street. Oh, street is like... Welp.